Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to switch off your Oppo phone without using the power button. Now, if you want to switch off your Oppo phone without using the power button, first of all, just open Settings, then tap on Accessibility and Convenience. From here, just tap on Accessibility, then tap on Accessibility menu. Now from here, just enable the toggle for shortcut, then select Allow, and from here, just make sure you select Accessibility button and select OK. And once you do that, you will enable the accessibility shortcut on your Oppo phone. Now the next step is to tap on the accessibility shortcut. Now from this menu, just select power. And once you do that, the power menu will appear on the screen. Now to switch off your Oppo phone, just swipe down the slider and select power off. And this is how you can switch off any Oppo phone without using the power button. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.